Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Angel Gina Dayag. I am 28 years old. I am widowed. I have one kid. She is 7 years old. I am high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family in terms of financial needs.
Tell me about your experience in your previous job.
I work as domestic helper in Kuwait for two years and 6 months.
Okay, so what are your duties?
My duties is taking care of kids, cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and marketing.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, ma'am. Sir, I took care of baby since newborn.
Okay, so can you tell us how you will take care of baby?
I took care of them by changing diapers, taking a bath, prepare their clothes, prepare their foods.
Okay, so what are your skills?
Aside from taking care of baby, I can take care of pets and I can cook.
Okay, so what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As domestic helper, it is necessary to be loyal, trustworthy, honest, hardworking, and flexible.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hello, Mom and Sir. Please choose me to be your domestic helper. I promise to do my job well because I am hardworking, flexible, and loyal. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.